Hello everyone, this is Harless58 signing on to do a video unboxing of the DJI Mavic Air. I'm not sure if you guys have been keeping up with my YouTube channel, but I did have the Parrot Bebop V1, and then I took that back and ended up getting the Parrot Bebop 2. And I had that for about a year and a half, and unfortunately about a week and a half ago I lost it in the air. Warning to users: if and when you're flying your drone, make sure that your satellites are locked, your GPS signal is locked. If not, when you try to return to home feature on the Parrot Bebop 2, you will lose it. Unbeknownst to me, I was flying it for about 5 minutes, and I flew it out of line of sight. Again, something you're not supposed to do, but I did it. I've done this a bunch of times, and like I said, I was flying for about 5 minutes. Before I flew it out of line of sight, I lost connectivity, lost the signal, and I thought it would return to me. However, about a minute and a half passed by and it didn't, so I went to the settings and I saw that it had not received a lock for the return to home position. So that was very unfortunate. Hovered for about 10 to 15 minutes, I couldn't find it, and then it ended up, the battery died, and it crashed over some marshland. I was unable to retrieve it. So I did a little bit of research, and I saw that DJI had just recently announced the Mavic Air, and so I figured, why not? I did see the DJI Spark, which is a little bit cheaper and it shoots in 1080p, but I figured, why not go all out? Just go ahead and check out what the Mavic Air has since it's brand new. So I got the Fly More combo with the DJI Goggles included. I got this about $1,200. If I was to buy all of these things, you'll see when I unbox it what's included in here. I would have spent more money, so I figured, what the heck, go ahead and give it a shot. If I don't like it, I can always return it. I think these retail by themselves for like $300-400. The drone itself, if you buy it, it's like $799. And then with the extra batteries and everything that's included, you would have spent a lot more if you bought it individually. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and start with the Mavic Air first. I did get it in the flame red. As you guys see, I already ripped off the packaging because I had 1 or 2 failed unboxing attempts. But whatever, due to some technical difficulties. So here is the carrying case. It's pretty sturdy, nice cloth-like material. Actually reminds me of the Google Home, sort of like cloth in the Google, not Google Cardboard, but I forget the name of it now, but it's the VR headset that Google has. I should have done an unboxing video for that, but I ended up returning it. But that's what the material reminds me of. And then here, I believe the drone is actually inside here. Sorry, over here, you have your propeller guards, propeller props, whatever you want to call them, and some reading instructions. Let's go ahead and file this back here into the side. We'll bring this front and center, since I think that this is where the actual drone is. So, sorry, I'm trying to do this from behind the camera. So, very just, what I noticed off the bat in comparison to the Bebop, construction of the materials is a lot better, I feel like. The carrying case is really sturdy. The box itself, the Bebop 2 wasn't a bad drone. Don't get me wrong. I thoroughly enjoyed it. But it did feel a little childish in some of the things that it offered. This definitely feels a little bit more professional and premium. So go ahead and looking at the Mavic Air. This is in the flame red color. And it feels really good in there. Very small. I have large hands, but fits right in the palm of my hand. Feels good. Go ahead and set that to the side. You can see, just for reference, how small this is. Set this next to, this is the Moto Z Droid. And obviously this is thicker, but it's crazy. The Bebop 2 wasn't a huge drone either, and I don't want to turn this into too much of a comparison video, but it didn't fold, and this one folds. So we'll go ahead and set this back there. We'll see what's inside here. We'll set that right there to the side. Again, this is the Fly More combo kit. So, see what's inside here. Some stats, I guess, if you want to compare this to the Spark. This one is a little bit faster, more nimble. Goes, I think, 40-something odd miles per hour. It's actually faster than the regular Mavic Pro as well. So inside here, we just have some propellers. Yes, I think these are just more propellers. Cool, because again, this is the Fly More combo kit. So go ahead and just take these things and set them to the side. USB-C cord, charging cord. Cool. These look like this is for the controller, like the little joysticks. Cool. These look like connectors, I think, for the controller again, like your USB regular. And then this is Type-C. Cool. Anything else in here? And I'm assuming this is probably for the battery pack. Cool, so we'll take that set to the side. This here is the controller. Controller is actually bigger than I expected it to be. Feels good. One thing that they did to make this more compact is you can see the joysticks are gone. And the reason for that is, you can go ahead and take this, you can peel it back. Right there. When you open this up, I believe you're gonna have two. Yeah, so there's a joystick here, and then another joystick here. You take that, you can screw it right on top of there. Okay? So it makes it more compact, easier to carry around. Cool. We'll take that, we'll set it right there. We'll put this right there just for a shot. What else is inside here? I think it comes with 3 battery packs. So this is, I think, for the charging station for the batteries. Not 100% sure. This is obviously the brick to charge it. So I think that this is, well, let's see. So this is 1 battery. This is 2 batteries. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure I get everything in this shot. 1 battery, 2 batteries. This is part of the cord again for this charging station. I think there's a battery already installed here on the drone. Yeah. So let me go ahead and open this up. It has instructions on it, so let me go ahead and read the instructions before I break something. Unfold the rear arms downwards. Unfold the front arms forward. Okay, so this is rear, I'm assuming. And you unfold them. I guess I should listen. It says unfold the rear downwards. So this is rear. It's sort of weird because you expect to pull it out, but you actually push down and it flips up. It's cool. And then these you just unfold forward. Really cool. So, I mean, when it's open, obviously it's a lot larger, but still very compact. And then here on the back, we'll go ahead and read this. Powering on and off required. Press the power button. Not going to turn this on, but I just want to see how to remove the battery. And it doesn't say, I'm assuming, there we go. Just pull it up. Cool. That was simple enough. So 3 batteries here. Sorry. This is, sorry about that. So 3 batteries here. The drone, I think this is a charging station, so you can charge 2 at a time. And I believe that this allows you to charge 1. Not 100% sure. Again, I need to go ahead and read through some of this documentation to see how to fully utilize everything that's here. But that's everything inside of here. Cool enough. And then I guess I'll go ahead and unbox the goggles now. So I'm going to take all these items, just set them to the side, because I'm going to have to charge those batteries. I plan on taking this out for a flight tomorrow. So let me just move everything to the right. And then the DJI goggles. So, I mean, I got this, like I said, because it was all part of this deal. And I know if I got it separately, I'd spend a lot more money. But I'm not sure if these goggles are worth it. I'll see, you know, once I actually try them out. I haven't opened this yet. But they do have a screen included. Obviously, it's, you know, again, a rule of thumb is you're not supposed to fly outside of line of sight. It's very difficult to fly a drone with a VR headset not out of line of sight, obviously, because you're not going to be able to see it. So, sorry. This is very difficult to do from behind the camera. So let me go ahead and step from there. Let's see if I can get this out. Very, very difficult to get this out of the box. Let me pause this. Okay, sorry about that. Took a little while to get this from out of the box. Cool. Set that to the side. And now, hopefully, we will get, again, very well packaged. Something that you'd expect from something that you're spending a decent amount of money on. You don't need that. Here's the headset. see what else is inside here. Go ahead and lift this up. And then this is the sort of the headgear that you wear that connects to the headset, obviously. Let's see what's inside here. Looks like some cable and cord stuff to connect it. I believe that this is, I guess I can go ahead and rip it off. I just don't want to lose anything since there's so many moving parts here in this unboxing video. So yeah, this is what I thought. It's an HDMI cable. So if you didn't have, like I have the Mavic Air, if you have one of the older DJI drones like the Phantom, I think 4 Pro, you can connect it to a standalone monitor. And I think you can do this. So you can just connect it to a standalone monitor if you want multiple people to look in as well. And then this here allows it to connect to, I guess if you don't have wireless, this should be with the Mavic Air, should be able to connect wirelessly. I'm not sure if I need a cord or not, actually. I'm not 100% sure. So I'll see once I go ahead and take this out and fly it around.